Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the construction of parabola by general method. The other name for this general method is eccentricity method. Let us consider one simple problem. Construct a parabola if the fixed point is at a distance 50 mm from the directrix. Also draw normal and tangent to the curve at any point. Let us start the construction. Draw a vertical line. This vertical line is also known as fixed line or directrix. Draw a horizontal line perpendicular to this fixed line from point O. The horizontal line is called axis. Locate the fixed point, that is known as focus F, at a distance 50 mm from the directrix. Locate midpoint of OF, that is as vertex V. Divide the axis, that is on right side of the vertex, into number of parts, that is 1, 2, 3, like that. So minimum 5 to 6 points, and also draw vertical lines from these points. Now take V1 as radius, F as center, draw an arc on the line from point 1 on both sides of the axis at P1 and P1 dash. Similarly, V2 as a radius, F as center, draw two arcs on the line from point 2, that is both sides of the axis at P2 and P2 dash. Similarly, V3 as a radius, F as center, draw two arcs on the line from point 3, that is at P3 and P3 dash. Similarly, V4 as a radius, F as center, draw two arcs on the vertical line at point 4, that is at P4 and P4 dash. Similarly, V5 as a radius, F as center, draw two arcs on the vertical line at point 5 at P5 dash and P5. Similarly, V6 as a radius, F as center, draw two arcs on the line from point 6, that is at P6 and P6 dash. Draw a smooth curve passing through all these points through vertex. This will give the required parabola. Let us start the construction of normal and tangent to the curve. Consider any point on the curve at point M. Now join the points F and M with a straight line. Draw a perpendicular line at point M, point F, for the line FM, which will touch the directrix at point T. Draw a line passing through T and M and extend it to T dash. T and T dash is known as tangent to the curve. Now at point M and perpendicular to the line T dash, if you draw a line, that is N dash, N dash is normal. That's all the construction. That's all about the construction. Thank you for watching.